Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Durham local and long-distance movers near me. A move is a long-distance relocation when it is over 50 miles away from your current address. For a long-distance move to be hassle-free, you must pay attention to every detail of the relocation. 3 Movers hires efficient and qualified movers. Our movers are skilled at sorting, organizing, packing, and loading different items. All of your belongings are carefully boxed or wrapped and placed in the spacious compartments of our trucks. We have a high maintenance policy for all of our moving trucks. We also perform routine checks before putting them on the road. Our drivers are fully licensed. They have experience making long-distance trips. It would help if you also had expert assistance for your local moves. 3 Movers offers prompt, dependable, and highly efficient local moves. We are a favorite of the locals in Durham CT because we dedicate our time and effort to successful relocations. We also provide the cheapest local moves. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. When you reach out to our local movers, you enjoy top-of-the-line moving services at budget-friendly rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Durham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.